Let's practice listening skill with the current news. A leader, Awami League. Awami League leader, the long sound leader, Panna's body found in Meghalaya. So it is in passive form, and in the title you do not have the auxiliary verb. So it should have been was found, but was is missing because the title doesn't contain a verb. Awami League leader, Panna's body. So body means already dead. That's why it's body. In Meghalaya, it's a place. Indian police say. This mark tells that Indian police say Awami League leader Panna's body found in Meghalaya. And it was found 1.5 kilometers from border. So border, right? 1.5 kilometers from border. 1.5 kilometers. Place in the northeastern state of Meghalaya. Right? Place in the eastern state of Meghalaya have recorded. So place in plural form, have. So they have. Police means they have. Bangladesh have won the game. It means 11 players of Bangladesh, plural. But Bangladesh is a densely populated country, right? Bangladesh is a densely populated country. But police always plural. 5 policemen, 10 police personnel, right? Personnel. So state of Meghalaya have recovered the semi-decomposed, not totally decomposed. Composition, composition. Decompose, it's not that good. It's broken, it's rotten, it's separated, many parts maybe. So decomposed body of Awami League leader Ishaque Ali Khan Panna. Panna is his nickname. In Jaintia Hills district, bordering. So border is verb here, bordering. Bangladesh PTI reported quoting. So quoting means PTI did not say. PTI said, police officials said, right? So PTI reported that police said. So it said PTI reported quoting a police official. A police officer said what he said. The body was found on Monday evening around 1.5 kilometers from the India-Bangladesh border. So inside India. So when he crossed Indian border, 1.5 kilometers when he passed inside India, the dead body was there. PTI quoted District Superintendent of Police Giri Prasad. So Giri Prasad is the name in its report from Shillong last night. The reporting was from Shillong. Panna was identified through his passport. So when the passport was there with the dead body, it said that his name is Panna and every details there. So Giri Prasad told PTI. The body has been kept in Cleariat, very difficult name, Cleariat Civil Hospital for further identification. So identification was a little bit clear because the passport was there, but for further identification, right? For further identification and processing, PTI said, quoting the SP. So SP said something and PTI quoted that. So Panna is a former General Secretary of Bangladesh Chhatra League and a prominent member of Awami League from Pirozpur district. He had been on the run following the fall of the Sheikh Hasina government. So he was on the run. I am on the line. It means you are talking to somebody over telephone. When you are on the line, you are talking to someone on telephone. So on the run means he was fleeing away, he was absconding, he was trying to get away from Bangladesh, he was trying to go to India, and he crossed the border after 1.5 kilometers. His dead body was there. Probably he had cardiac arrest. Cardiac arrest. He did not have oxygen. So the post-mortem report said that he had problem with oxygen. So following the fall of the Sheikh Hasina, Sheikh Hasina's government has been ousted. On August 5, reports our New Delhi correspondent. Initial reports had suggested that Panna might have suffered a cardiac arrest while he was trying to cross the border, police said. However, there are conflicting accounts that say he might have been involved in a shooting incident on the border. There might be a shooting as the border was very near. The BSF, Indian Border Police, may have shot as people illegally enter into India, or people enter Bangladesh maybe. So if he was murdered by the police personnel, he must have been killed by Indian Border Police, because he was already 1.5 kilometers inside India. Trideep Sagmar is the second in command at the BSF Frontier Headquarters, Meghalaya, said they have got in touch with the Assistant High Commissioner of Bangladesh in Guwahati regarding the body of Panna. The Assistant High Commission has said they have not received any official information about Panna's death near the border as of now, Sangma said. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.